Hey guys, we haven't been filming since maybe last week. Nah, we already did yesterday. Fine. Hi guys, what is up? Nah, what's up, docs? Alright, today we are going to play the most newest game of all time. Oh, please don't. It's the Driving School Challenge! It's a game. Alright, go in your chair. I'll be in my hall. Come on, join with us. No, I'll never join with you. Nah, let's go! Okay, first we're going to do, first we're going to do, some new stuff. So, let's pick this one. I already chose that. Okay, go back. Now it's time to daily reward. Okay, oh, there's the plate. What should we do? Let's do driving school. Those are all locked. Alright, let's go to driving school. It's time to start. Steering wheel. Buttons, tilt. I'm just gonna go with the steering. Alright, ready, set, okay, go. Why is it not going? Am I not supposed to? First we're going to... Yeah! Oh, let's go. Oh, that's really going to hurt. Let's back up. What do you mean I can't back up? Let's choose turns. I'm not going fast enough. That's it. Oh, that means it's time to what the? Oh, fine. Replay. This is it. Okay. First, we're going to seatbelt. Let's start the engine. Alright, that means we're going to. Woo! Hey, what the hell is wrong with you, man? I'm getting angry. I'm gonna make myself angry by doing. Oh, I'm not failing the test after all. Man. I'm getting Superman. Holy man. Oh, holy moly. What is going on? He's trying to block my way, dude. This is driving school. Oh. Sorry, Bugs. It's just, nah. You can't even think about that. See? Okay. No! Woo! Yes! Parked in a safe report. Level complete! Now, time for the next one. Wait a minute. You should use the stop sign. Yeah, you have to use the right angle. Right? Oh my god. Why would you try to use the right angle? Don't drive backwards. Here. Use the right. Okay, turn left with the what are you trying to do? I'm trying to teach that lesson. Dude. Oh my god. What are you doing? No! No! Oh my gosh! Did I park in the safe zone? No! Oh, see? Look what you did! Just don't hit something this time. It's too dangerous to hit a car. Too dangerous to hit a car? Okay, what car should I hit? No! You should hit nothing! Oh, I guess they don't allow. Oh, let's go after him. No. Aww. Yeah, you know what? I'm actually done. What do you mean? I don't care if they allow seatbelts. I don't care. It's time to do this. Wait, dude, you need seatbelts. I don't actually need seatbelts after all. What if you What if you crashed? Nah, I don't crash. See, I'm focused and in Oh no. Mickey, what? Every time they rage, they quit, they smash stuff. I don't want you to happen that. I heard that already happened. Really? Just like that time that Lincoln played Sega for nothing. What the? Sega? No. Oh my god, you almost hit that lady. I don't care. This is my game. No. What are you? Oh no, you're making this worse. Worse than ever? Dude, you don't need help. You all have to follow the rules of this traffic safety, and you're not wearing seatbelt this entire time? No. All right, you know what? I'm done. Wait, no, seriously. All right, you've got to follow the rules. Okay, then, oh, there you go. Okay, hey, what the hell? What are you doing? No! Oh, great. Look what you did this time. Oh, really? Huh? I'm not gonna do this. Fine. Just stop at the middle of the door. That's it. I don't want to go past that red light. What did you do? Did you just drop out? Did you just drop out of driving school again? Oh, see, look what you did. Nah, I'm just gonna try again. What the? Try again? Hey, why did it crash? Alright, so let's... Oh man, stop sign not followed. I don't like stop signs. Oh, see? Oh, see? Look what you did. See, you trapped yourself in. Oh, really? It's so loud! You wake up to someone. There's no one here. Why is it not working? Replay. You're just repeating this over. Here. You want this? Here. Okay. So follow the rules. Okay. Fine. Let's see. Ha! Oh my god! You just hit that. Glitches. Okay, alright. Just start the engine. Okay, then. Follow the rules of this safety. I don't like safety. Uh-oh. You committed a crime. You crossed? Oh, look out! Oh my god, you passed that light. You didn't pass, so... But you've crashed a car! I don't know. Go! You made an accident in a crosslight area. Oh man. I'm just gotta wait for this. Oh, no, you're failing! Oh, you failed. And you failed again. Yeah, that's what I get for saving the day. I'm gonna. Oh, you kidding me? I'm done with this game. Water. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go get something. Daniel. Okay, Daniel, can you introduce this? Oh God, oh my God, what is that? Oh, what's going on? Lincoln, you gotta see your reaction. What? Oh, I'm not cleaning up. Not cleaning this up. Oh man, I am so sorry, Daniel. No, you have to apologize to the fans. What you did. No, I already did apologize. What the? No, you apologize to Bugs Bunny and Lincoln Loud and me. You have to apologize to my fans. Your fans? Nah, I'm sorry, guys. It's just that I'm raging for some reason. I never heard of rage before. Good means more mess. What? No! No! Bugs! Bugs! Oh, hey, Danny, what's up? Look at what's happening. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget our new channel, our new videos coming today. Hey, Mickey, stop